Hi, welcome back to my channel. So if you have a dark lips or cracked lips and you want a gorgeous lips like mine, see how sweet my lips look, I'm going to show you two ways you can get this with either our lip kit or a simple lip scrub you can prepare with 3 affordable ingredients in your kitchen. Keep on watching. Make sure you watch till the end because I have a tip for you at the end of the video. Alright, let's get into that. I'm going to show you 2 ways you're going to achieve that, either with this lip kit or you can do your own lip scrub at home. So first of all, you need to scrub your lips. This is a colored sugar scrub. This is a lip scrub. I have it for sale. If you need it, contact me. The first thing you do is you scrub your lips. So another way you can also do it, if you don't want this lip kit, you get yourself a bowl like this, put in a little sugar. This is white sugar. If you have brown sugar, no problem, you can use your brown sugar if you don't have white sugar. Then you add a little lemon, just a little lemon juice. You see? Then you add a little bit of honey. Use your toothbrush, the brush you use to brush your teeth. Use it, old one or the one you're currently using, no problem. Just use it, mix it together. Like this, and scrub your lip. Keep on watching because after scrubbing, I will show you what next you're going to use to, get yourself a fine plumpy lips like mine. Okay. Be gentle at it so that you don't give yourself injury. Look at it. See how plumpy and smooth my lips are. So after scrubbing, look at how beautiful my lips are. Next thing is you're going to get yourself a lip stain. This is a lip stain. The work of this is just to brighten my lips and make it a little bit pinklicious. That's what this one does. You apply it. It comes together with my lip kit. You will get it with the lip scrub and the scrubbing brush. All of them come together. But if you don't need the pink lip stain, just get yourself ordinary lip balm. This can work. Any other lip balm of your choice can work. Just you apply. Do you see how plumpy, sweet, kissable my lips look like? It's just simple. All these things is not that hard, just that. Be consistent with it. Another tip I'm going to give is whenever you're brushing your teeth in the morning, after brushing your teeth, brush your lips. Use the same brush you used to brush your teeth and brush your lips.